National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in central Illinois, western Woodford County in central Illinois, northeastern Fulton County in west central Illinois, Stark County in north central Illinois, Tazewell County in central Illinois, Peoria County in central Illinois, until 10 a.m. At 9:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Laura to near Cuba, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Canton, Farmington, Princeville, Dunlap, Hannah City, Trevoli, St. David, and Edelstein around 9:10 a.m. Peoria, Chillicothe, Bellevue, and Glassford around 9:15 a.m. Bartonville, West Peoria, Rome, Spring Bay, Mapleton, and Peoria International Airport around 9:20 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Pekin, East Peoria, Washington, Creve Coeur, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Morton, Metamora, Washburn, South Pekin, Eureka, Tremont, Green Valley, Mackinac, Delavan, Goodfield, Deer Creek, and Hopeedle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 11 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 71 and 113. This also includes Banner Marsh State Fish and Wildlife Area, Jubilee College State Park, Marshall State Fish and Wildlife Area, Powhatan Lake State Fish and Wildlife Area, Rice Lake State Fish,